Okay, so let us see the first. Hope you have gone through the previous session. Now let's look into the setup, like how to set up the folder structure, and then what are the folders we need to create. So we'll see. We'll create a folder here in system. Anywhere you can create desktop, C drive, D drive. I'm creating just in D drive. I'll give the folder name called UI development. Now under the UI development folder, I will create the next folder called HTML. Since our first step will be HTML, so this is our HTML folder. Here we'll create the one more folder, CSS. That will be our second step. The third folder you will create, that is called Bootstrap. Fourth folder you will create, that is called JavaScript. And the fifth folder you will create, that is called React. And the sixth folder you will create, React Redux. And one more last folder will create, that will be called JSON API, JSON server better. And the last folder, one more is required, live project. So these all are the total modules we are going to study under the front-end development. Next, you have to download the VS Code editor. So open the Chrome and search here for download VS Code editor. Download VS Code editor. This website will open. Just go here and Windows 10, Windows 11, whichever you have, maybe Mac or other. You can see all the options are there. Click on download here. Then VS Code, current version will get download. It's downloading. After downloading, we have to install it. After installation, we need to install some package also, extra extension that I'll guide next. So let me go here. I'll do double click here, just simple. It will start downloading every term condition etc. It is doing some preparation. Let's see, copying the files. So installation is completed. Finish. It will open directly VS Code. Already in my system VS Code was there, so it has opened directly. So next work will be, you have to go through the folder which we have created. I closed my VS Code. I close everything. I close everything. Now I will look into my system. VS Code was there. I will open the VS Code editor. Then I will go to the file menu and there is option called open folder. So do the open folder and the folder you have created just now, that was called UI development. That folder you should load. Search in your system where you have created the UI development folder. This is the my folder. I open it. Many other folders are there, right? So I will open the only HTML folder as you know, since we are going to work first on HTML. So HTML, I opened here, that you can see the HTML folder is visible here, right? Let us, now you can see the first option is, it is to create a file. Second option is to create a folder. So here you create a file first, HTML developer guide. .txt. Right, after that we can create one test file also here. For example, page1.html. So I created a file page1.html. Here we'll write the examples. And this is the file called HTML developer guide. It is a notes. So in this file, I'll keep writing the all the notes that will come in HTML. Along with that, we have to install one extension also. Go here because you have to run the HTML pages. So for that, we'll install a live server. You can see this extension icon. Click on this and search here live server. Live server. You will find multiple type of live server will appear, but you can click on this one, Ritvik Day. I have installed already one. You can click on this Ritvik Day live server. I did a installation. It's going on for me. Once this extension got installed, then your system can run a individual file through the live server. There, the file can communicate with the backend also through JavaScript also, and it will work perfectly. So you can see installation is done. I will close this file. Then for testing purpose in page1.html, I will write a line and see whether my page is running or not. So you can see you have a shortcut key that is called Shift+1. Press Shift+1 in page1.html file. Go press Shift+1. This mark will appear. Press Enter key. Enter key. This all basic structure of HTML will appear. I will write here h1 welcome to HTML. Welcome to HTML. The file is saved already. In case this file is not saving automatically, most of the system when you set up first time it will not happen. You have to go to the file menu and click on this auto save. You can see in my PC auto save is already enabled, so it is tick. In your system maybe it is not enabled. You have to tick it so that it will become auto save. Okay, so whenever you do any changes, your file will keep saving. No need of save manually. So this all about I will explain you in the next session. But first, this file we have set up. VS Code we have installed. Folder creation happen. Developer guide is ready. One test file HTML page1.html is ready. Live server also we have installed. Now you can just do a right click here and you can run from here. You can do the right click. You will find option open with live server. You can click on this. It will open directly in a browser. In case if the live server is not opening from there, you can see here in the right side, you will see another option called go live, or here live server will be there. You can click on either of this. So in my PC, go live is there. In your PC, this one will come. Right, go live option will come. You can click on that, it will go. So I'm using this second option, go live. My page will open in any browser by default, and it will show me the welcome to HTML. Right. So hopefully you understood this, how to set up everything, and then we'll see you in the next session. Thank you.